The next natural resource that comes from plants are spices. A spice is any dried part of a plant except the leaf. Spices are dried seeds, fruits, roots, or bark. Spices are often added to foods for flavor, to make it taste better, to change the color, or to keep germs from growing. Spices are different than herbs. Herbs are leafy green plant parts used for flavoring. These spices often smell good, like cinnamon, black pepper, and mustard seeds. The smell and taste of the spices comes from the oil that is in the seed, fruit, or root. And just like the vegetable oil, to get the oil out, the seed or fruit needs to be pounded, grinded, or cooked so the oil can come out and we can use it. Another spice that your family might use a lot when they're cooking is garlic. Garlic makes your food more tasty. All of these spices come from plants.